Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always love having you here. Thank you for joining me. And I just wish people could smell what I am smelling. It smells amazing. So tell us what we're cooking today.
Okay, so we are making a butternut squash barley soup. It actually has different things in it besides that. So we're starting with some mirepoix, which mirepoix is carrot, celery, and onion.
Okay.
And it's all sauteed together in a little bit of olive oil, has some garlic in here, salt and pepper. And after that is sauteed, it's really just a very easy thing. So we're gonna put some navy beans. You could use any kind of, I would say, white beans that you wanted to. So northern beans, cannellini beans. And we're also gonna add some butternut squash. So that's very in season right now.
Right.
And so this is a whole butternut squash. Sometimes you'll see it has a bigger bulb on one end, but you can buy it frozen. You can buy it in the refrigerated, just in the produce section. It's already chopped up for you.
Okay.
And so normally I would not say to go buy chopped up vegetables, but I will say that this is very slippery once you peel it and start cutting it. So I don't know if knife skills are something that you're not so into and you don't want to lose a thumb.
Me, right? You want to have all 10 fingers by the end of your cooking.
Yes.
So I totally understand that. So this would be a vegetable that maybe choose the frozen option if you feel like you're maybe not up to par on your knife skills.
Yeah, and again, you can buy it in the produce section too that's already chopped a lot of times.
Oh, okay. So there's a couple options for them.
Okay, and so some tomato paste. And, you know, make this your own. If you have tomato sauce, if you have petite diced tomatoes, use that. And then we have some veggie broth. That's just going to go right in. There's 2 quarts of veggie broth.
Is that something that you can just purchase as well and easy to throw in?
Yeah, so you can either get the pre-made quarts and squeeze those in, or you can use, this one's called Better the Bouillon, and it's just a base that you add water to make your own veggie or whatever kind of stock. And then lastly, some barley. And we love this because it has been proven to help with cholesterol reduction.
Perfect. So again, we're just doing those small little things to make it a little healthier. Well, and obviously with the vegetables and things, it's making it healthy too as well. So.
Right. And so we're just going to let that come to a simmer. And as it does, that barley is going to expand and get soft, and it's going to make a very thick soup, as you can see right here.
I know, it looks so good. And very quickly, when you mentioned like you're leaving it to boil, like is there a certain time? Just kind of watch it?
So it kind of depends on the barley that you're using. If you're using a quick cook barley, it might only take 5 or 6 or 7 minutes.
Okay.
If you're using one that has not been cooked as long, you know, before it was packaged, it might take 20 to 30 minutes. Just kind of depends. So look at your package and go by that timing.
What works for you? If you're in a hurry, use the quick one.
Yes.
All right, as always, I love the fact that I get to taste these. So here we go.
And then stir the spinach in just to wilt it right before you're going to serve it.
Oh my goodness, it's so good, and it's just a perfect thing that just like says fall.
And it smells like Thanksgiving.
Smells
in here,
like,
right?
yes, it does. It totally smells like Thanksgiving. Perfect fall option for everybody. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any others, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.